Welcome all to yet another video of on Dr. R.S. and you on the science of cosmetics and personal care products. You can type Ramesh Suryanarayanan in the YouTube video. You can get as Dr. Ramesh Suryanarayanan, S-U-R-I-A here. No, you can get all my videos as Dr. Ramesh Suryanarayanan. Ramesh S. Narayanan at gmail.com is my email ID. Today we are in part 105, question bank 5. We have completed 4 question banks. Now this particular question bank covers questions from part 81 to part 100 of the YouTube videos. So totally we have as of now uploaded 100 YouTube videos. So the questions for those 100 YouTube videos are covered in 5 parts, 5 question banks, right? Each question bank is about the 20 YouTube videos uploaded. So 5 YouTube videos. This is the last YouTube video for that. The 100 YouTube videos which we have already uploaded. This is the last one, question bank 5. This question bank 5 refers to YouTube videos 81 to 100. The clues for this, these questions, answers for these questions can be seen in part 81 to 100 of the YouTube videos, right? Continued from question bank 4. What are the requirements of an ideal toothpaste? Explain building blocks and formulation of a toothpaste. Enumerate quality and performance evaluation parameters for a toothpaste. Write notes on tooth powder, mouthwash. What are the characteristics of an ideal lipstick? Explain building blocks and formulation of lipsticks. Explain the process of manufacturing of lipsticks. Enumerate quality and performance evaluation parameters for a lipstick. What are the characteristics of an ideal nail polish? Explain building blocks and formulation of nail polish. Explain the process of manufacturing of nail polish. Explain building blocks and formulation of face powder. Enumerate key parameters in the manufacturing of a face powder. Write notes on loose face powder, compressed face powder. Enumerate quality and performance evaluation parameters for a face powder. Question 150. Write notes on blushes and liquid makeup. Enumerate various categories of body powder. Explain building blocks and formulation of a body powder. Enumerate quality and performance evaluation parameter for a body powder. List down cosmetics for eyes. Enumerate quality and performance evaluation parameters for eye cosmetics. Write notes on eyeshadow, be eyeliner. Explain building blocks and formulation of mascara. Write notes on makeup primer, makeup fixer spray, nail polish remover and nail hardener. Explain in detail the manufacturing process of perfume and cologne sprays. Explain difference between deodorant and antiperspirant products. What are the requirements of an ideal deodorant and antiperspirant products? Explain building block and formulation of a deodorant stick. Explain building blocks and formulation of deodorant spray. Explain formulation principles of an antiperspirant product. Write notes on antiperspirant spray, antiperspirant cream, roll-on antiperspirant. Write notes on shaving cream, shaving foam. Enumerate differences between baby skin and adult skin. Explain cosmetic product formulation approaches for babies. Explain building blocks and formulation of diaper rash cream, baby oil. So, 167 questions. These are all mostly long questions. They are all not short questions, they are all long questions. From each question we can have a lot of other aspects, short questions, definitions, objective questions and everything, right? So this covers 167 questions cover the questions for part 1 to part 100 of the YouTube videos we had uploaded as of now, which covers mostly the formulation science aspect, right? The 100 videos covers mostly the formulation science of cosmetics and personal care products. From here, I would like to cover general topics on cosmetics and personal care products, the scientific aspects of cosmetics and personal care products in further videos, right? Thank you very much for listening to me in these videos. Till I get connected with you all in the next video, be happy, be smiling, be safe, be blessed. Bye.